And now over to our county mayor for the Stockholm region. And she's here to talk about the need for investments in digital healthcare services and research. Welcome, Iréne Svenonius.
Thank you very much. And the theater here was just, the overflow to me, really, because it was speaking a lot about healthcare. It was very funny. I'm looking forward to see the next episode, actually.
Yep.
I'm very glad to be here today at the inauguration for Digital Futures. And since Stockholm, since many years back, is the ICT capital of the world. And I'm sure that we will lead the way through the digital transformation as well. So Digital Futures really belongs to Stockholm. During the 8 months, during the pandemic, we have forced our society to make a lot of changes. We have adapted the way we are working, and we have adapting the whole life to reduce the spreading of a little virus. It also made us to take a big leap forward when it comes to digital transformation. We are now working at home very much. We are using and enjoying digital services in a way that we didn't before the pandemic. We really have made a lot of changes. The use of digital healthcare has also increased dramatically during the pandemic. And we have seen big difference in the Stockholm region this year. One such example of digital healthcare services is the application Always Open, Alltid Öppet, here in Stockholm. During a few weeks from February to April, the number of video meetings in the application increased tenfold. The number of caregivers that now offer services in the application have more than doubled. More than doubled. It's a new world for the patients and for those who are working in the healthcare sector. Region Stockholm has also developed a self-assessment service digitally for people wondering, do I need to go to the doctor, do I need to go to the hospital due to COVID-19? And that since the launch of that self-assessment service, we have seen 1.7 million users. We have also seen a significant rise in the use of 1177 Vårdguiden, a Swedish digital service that has been there before the pandemic. And since March, we have experienced the highest number of people visiting 1177 digitally ever. In March, it was 19 million people in Sweden going through 1177, 7 million of them from Stockholm. In Region Stockholm, we have declared a promise to strengthen science, development and innovation within the healthcare sector. Our promise is until 2023, Stockholm region will be one of the world's top 5 life science regions, and that the share of clinical trials will increase by at least 50% until 2022. In order to fulfill this promise, the cooperation between our universities and the medtech industry and the region and our healthcare in the region is extremely important. The initiative Digital Future on cross-disciplinary research on future technologies to promote digital transformation is very important, therefore. It is in line with all Region Stockholm's ambitions to both improve services and raise the quality of the given healthcare to the Stockholmers and better the efficiency through digital solutions. Of course, it is of utmost importance that the digitalization of our society will first and foremost come to the benefit of the citizens. One example that I've seen here today is automation solutions for elderly care, which I think will be vital for the future elderly care in combination with the health care that we are given. This is extremely important. Through the Digital Future initiative, I am sure many more smart digital solutions will evolve to the benefit of all our citizens. I'm also certain it will be important to both Stockholm and Sweden as the front runners when it comes to digital transformation in the world. And it will also promote further economic growth in the region and in the country. Warmly welcome Digital Futures to Stockholm.